Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Well, now I want to read some article about deeper labs records NFL quarterbacks Patrick Mahomes to promote its latest NFT platform. Patrick Mahomes has inked a deal with Deeper Labs, which will see the Kansas City Chiefs quarterback become the face of a new NFT platform for the 2022 season. Mahomes will be the face of Deeper NFL All Days, and a digital video highlight performed for NFT set to be live on Friday. As part of the upcoming NFL season, so set to kick off on September 8th, unique limited edition highlight with authentic videos collect moment will be operated in different rarity tiers. Mahomes is excited at the prospect of fans connecting with with their favorite players and team throughout the project. I'm excited for fans to own their favorite moments from the players and teams that they love. Being able to connect directly with players bridging the gap throughout all day is awesome, he said in a press release. Deeper Labs, who also has other celebrity backers including basketball legend Michael Jordan, refrained from revealing the terms of the latest deal. However, Mahomes' foray into the i- industry is quite significant, not only because he is a household football name, but also because of the impact on the ongoing crypto winter, which has slowed the number of celebrity backings lately. Super celebrities has collaborated with crypto companies over the last 2 years as the crypto market boomed. Six such like movie star Matt Damon, comedian Larry Davis, basketball player LeBron James, and Tampa Bay Buccaneers quarterback Tom Brady were all activity during last year's crypto bull run. But they have been conspicuously silent since the market turned south earlier this year. Developed is helping Mahomes can users in the new era of celebrity endorsement. Run to earn protocol step teams with Atletico de Madrid's own NFT sneaker collection. On Tuesday, Move to Earn Health and Fitness Up Step announced a collaboration with crypto exchange Wildfin and Spanish soccer club Atletico at the Madrid to release an NFT running shoe collection. As per announcements, the CEO branded NFT collection will feature 1,000 hand-drawn Atletico de Madrid sneakers that will give holders access to perks such as access to win signed merchandise from the club and in-person match tickets. These collectibles will be compatible with the Solana-based steps to run to earn games where users gains reward with in-game cryptocurrency for walking, running, or jogging. This launch is as extremely meaningful even for us as it's the first time we users or see a branded Genesis as is the first time we users see a branded Genesis sneakers with real world perks are associated. We believe this is a major stepping stone for us. Okay, This is enough for me. I'm sorry for mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.